Hello class 11th. In the last lecture we have seen the velocity time graph. Today we will see about the acceleration time graph, and same thing, that we will calculate the slope and the area, and let's see which physical quantity we are getting. And after this topic we will see the summation of all the slope and graph of this displacement time, velocity time and the acceleration time. So let's start the acceleration time graph and its calculation. Same way, the acceleration will be on the y-axis and the time will be on the x-axis. And the graph, you know, that will be increasing in straight line, horizontal with the time axis, and the declining. So all these, let's do the calculation. So see here the acceleration time graph. I'm drawing the first one. Here you can see the acceleration, unit of acceleration is meter per second square on the y-axis, and this is origin O, and x-axis having the time value in second, so this is AOX, and this is any arbitrary going straight line graph. So what we know that we have to find the slope and the area. So let's see first. This is the acceleration. Suppose this is A, acceleration of this value is here A, and here 0, and here the value of time here 0, and here suppose the time is t. So first of all, what will calculate the slope of the graph. I have named the graph OA with OA. So slope of graph OA is equal to change on y upon change on x. What is change on y? From here 0 to A, so final value minus initial value upon, same way on the time, final value minus 0 value. So it is coming A upon t. So which physical quantity it is, for that we will put the unit first. Acceleration as the unit meter per second square upon time as second, it becomes meter per second cube. So no physical quantity having this unit, means on calculating the slope of the acceleration time graph we will not get any physical quantity. And second, area of graph OA is equal to, looking like triangle, so just naming it with point. Suppose this is O, this A, let on this B, so half into OB into height AB, fill the value half. What is OB? 0 to t, so changing that t minus 0 into what is AB, changing acceleration, that is A minus 0. Now see here, this put the unit, half is a constant value, no unit. This time you can see here, first I'm putting t into A, I'm putting the units, half has no unit, time has unit second, and this one is having unit meter per second square. So you can see 1 second will be cancelled. What is remaining here? Meter per second. So which physical quantity it is? It is velocity. So on calculating area of velocity time graph, what you are actually calculating? Velocity. And if you are calculating slope of velocity time graph, you are calculating nothing. Now see the same way another type of graph, acceleration time. So you can see that on y-axis this is acceleration, say the value of acceleration is here A, on x-axis this is the time t, so at this time the time is t second. So we know that what we have to calculate, the slope and the area. You can see clearly the slope is 0, acceleration is horizontal, so no need to calculate slope, as you have seen. So on calculating slope we are getting nothing, so no need to calculate slope, because we will not get anything, any physical quantity. What we can calculate in the acceleration time graph, that only area. So area is what here? Area is velocity. So how to calculate? It is looking like rectangle, length into breadth. Length will be, suppose this is point B, so I'm taking this OB into multiplied with, suppose this is point A, so OB into AB. What is OB here? T minus 0 What is AB here? A minus 0. So what is looking here? A into t means the velocity. So what we are calculating? The velocity of the graph. So again you can see with the graph which is horizontal. And if the third case, see the third case, acceleration time, the graph is declining here. So same way here we are not going to calculate area, we are going to calculate slope. Slope is what? Change in area, that is half into base into height. So half into base is OB, height is OA. You can see half into final minus initial. This is final, this is initial, t minus 0. And here this is acceleration value. Acceleration value is starting at time 0 is this, and at time t the acceleration value is 0. Means final acceleration is 0, final acceleration is 0, and initial acceleration is a. So what comes? Minus half at. So this is negative velocity it is. So velocity, you know that it's a vector quantity. So if the acceleration time graph declining the graph, so it is showing that the negative velocity. So here we are coming to our conclusion about the displacement time, velocity time, and the acceleration time. So which physical quantity will be obtained on which graph? So let's see. So see here I have made into categories that ST means displacement time graph, velocity time graph, and acceleration time graph, and categorized in the two part. We are going to calculate the slope and area. So in ST graph, on calculating slope means this is on y-axis, this is on x-axis, means displacement as unit meter and time as unit second. So meter per second becomes what? Velocity. So here if you are calculating the slope of ST graph, you are actually calculating what? Velocity. Same way here if you are calculating the slope of this VT graph, slope means velocity on the y and time on the x. So V means meter per second divided by second becomes meter per second square. So on VT graph if you are calculating slope, you are calculating what? Area, acceleration. And the third, in the acceleration time graph, just few seconds ago you have seen on calculating the slope you are getting nothing. So no need to do anything, but I am showing you meter per second square whole divided by second on the y-axis. It becomes meter per second cube. So no physical quantity we are calculating. And if we are calculating the area on the ST graph, means meter into second we are doing, so nothing it is. So no physical quantity has in unit meter second. Next, VT graph, velocity time graph. If we are calculating area means multiplying velocity into time. So velocity into time means meter per second into second cancelled. What is remaining? Meter. So this is what? Displacement actually. So if we are calculating the area of the velocity time graph, you are calculating displacement. And if we are calculating the area in the acceleration time graph, means meter per second square into second cancelled. What is here? Meter per second. So we are actually calculating the velocity. So area of ST graph and the slope of AT graph we will never calculate because they are not giving any physical quantity. So clearly slope ST graph velocity, slope VT graph acceleration, area VT graph displacement, area AT graph velocity. See here one question based on the acceleration time graph. The figure below shows the time acceleration graph of a body. Draw the corresponding velocity time graph, asking about velocity time graph at time t is equal to 0, comma the velocity v is equal to 0. Given that at time t 0, when means at a starting time, the velocity of the body was 0. Now answer, the time velocity graph is drawn already here. So I'm just going to explain you. See here, the acceleration here is constant. Acceleration here is constant. Acceleration means what? First you must know what is acceleration. I don't think that you are understanding what is acceleration. Acceleration means the increment in velocity. Acceleration means what? The increment in velocity. So increment in velocity is what? 2. At time t is equal to 0, if the velocity was 0. Acceleration, increment in every second in velocity. How much? 2. So after 1 second the velocity will be 2. After 2 seconds the velocity will be 4. After 3 seconds the velocity will be 6. Same way here you can see this time of the graph is of time 20 seconds. So we have to draw up to the 20 second, and up to 5 seconds you can see up to 5 seconds the acceleration remains plus 2, means the acceleration is increasing with 2 up to 5 seconds. So in after 1 second 2 meter per second velocity, after 3 seconds 4 meter per second, after 5, so on. So but if you're not understanding, so you can use the equation also. Which equation? The simple equation that v is equal to u plus at. Initial velocity, it is already given, see here, initial at time t0, v is equal to 0, and we are going to calculate after 5 seconds what will be v. Initial 0 plus acceleration is 2 and 5 seconds, so what we have calculated, 10 velocity 10 meter per second. Second way to calculate what will be velocity from the acceleration time graph, if we are calculating the area, so what you will calculate, the velocity. So all of these method you can use. So here we have calculated the velocity after 5 seconds. So we will draw a graph. See here, we will draw a graph like this. We will put 0 at time 0, the velocity is 0, and after 5 seconds this becomes 10. So suppose this is 5 seconds, you can put 1 2 3 4, you can of your own. So here I'm showing you up to 5 seconds. I'm taking the smaller diagram. So up to 5 seconds, what is the velocity? 10 meter per second. Then after, see here, see, from 5 seconds to 15 seconds, during this time the acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, you must remember, I think, that velocity, if acceleration is 0, so at that time velocity is constant. So if you don't understand, use the equation. The v is equal to u plus at. We are going to calculate the velocity initially. Now at this point, what is the velocity? Means at this point, what is the velocity? 10 meter per second. So 10 meter per second plus acceleration. What is the value of acceleration here? 0. So 0 into time, for from 5 seconds to 15 means duration of 10 seconds. So multiplied with 10, what you are getting, v is equal to 10 meter per second. Still means from 5 seconds, suppose here it is 15 seconds. During this time there is no increment in velocity. Acceleration is 0. Acceleration is what? The increment in velocity. So during this time from 5 seconds to 15 seconds, no increment in velocity, means 10 meter per second remains constant. Now the next part, from 15 seconds to 20 seconds, you can see the acceleration is minus 2. It means the velocity is decreasing at the rate of 2 meter per second. Minus 2 meter per second is mean that. So here you can see our velocity is currently is 10 meter per second. So in the time, how much second? 5 seconds. Decreasing with how much? With 2 meter per second. So in time of 5 seconds, how much will the velocity, final velocity? Let's see. So either you can use the area, means the calculation the area, or you can use the simply the equation, that is v is equal to u plus at. So what is the initial velocity here? 10 meter per second. What is the acceleration here? Remember, acceleration is minus 2. So minus 2 multiplied how much time? From 15 to 20. So 5 seconds. So how much? 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 10. How much you will get? Velocity 0. Means after 5 seconds the velocity is 0. So after 5 seconds means here at 20th second the velocity is 0, means this it will come to here. Negative acceleration means you can see here it is getting down. If you remember, negative acceleration is this. That is why negative velocity. Same way here, negative acceleration and comes to 0. So here you can see the same graph is printed as a solution of the question. So the same graph you can draw of any type, and remember you can do up to question 11 only. Don't do question 12 and question 13. This is based on the next topic. So if you are facing any problem in this question, you are not informing me, inform me if you are facing problem. I'll help you. Here I'm ending this lecture. In the next lecture we will start the equations of motion. So I want from your side that you must be prepared about this topic. Till then, be safe, take care, and thank you.